Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode and explain all of its settings on your OPPO Reno 7, but it also works the same way on any OPPO Reno 7 series like Lite or Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, find sound and vibration. From here you can see Do Not Disturb, click on it, and you'll be able to customize the setting itself. So here you can enable it, and now Do Not Disturb mode is enabled and nobody will be able to actually reach me. I won't get any notifications. So we can customize the settings, and let me get you through all of them. So the first one is to disable the Do Not Disturb mode in order to change all of its properties. So let's go to schedules. In schedules you can add or modify like specific time to make the Do Not Disturb mode enable automatically. So for example, right now I just press this plus button and we can add the schedule. So I'm just gonna do the sleeping one, and it will start at 22 and end at 7, and you can set it to repeat at a specific days. So let's just do that, and we just added sleeping schedule, and that's basically it for schedules. The next option is exceptions, and you can specify from whom or from which applications you'll be able to get notifications while being in this mode. So the first one is allow notifications, and if you press on it you can modify it. Here you can enable or disable notification drawer and other notifications tab. Simply disable it if you don't want it, enable it, and you'll be able to customize specific options like status bar, banners, lock screen notifications, and here you can change it to lock screen notifications wake screen, lock screen notifications do not wake screen, and do not allow. You can also enable edge lightning, and you can enable notification badge. The next setting is allow messages from, and you can select from whom you will get messages. You can select anyone, and then basically everyone will be able to send you messages from your contacts only. So if you have someone, some numbers in your contacts, only they will be able to reach you. The third contacts only are basically your favorite lists. So let's pick anyone in this case and go for allow calls from. And here you can enable anyone, contacts, third contacts only, and no one. So it's basically the same thing as in messages. Let's pick no one here, and then we'll be able to enable ring for repeated calls. And if you enable that and somebody tries to reach you within 3 minutes, it will call you multiple times. It will your phone will actually ring even when you have no one selected. The next and the last option is to silence media when in Do Not Disturb mode, and it speaks for itself as it will silence all media when you're in this mode. So let's enable that, and here we're enabling our Do Not Disturb mode. You can probably also do it right here in the toolbar. It's right here, you can enable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.